Today, we'd like to show you a discontinued product, the S2 Stinger. The S2 was developed in 2011 after a similar, but in our opinion, inferior product was deemed prohibited by the RCMP. This was built in the time of the long gun registry, and we managed to get a non-restricted FRT, and then we started sales. The S2 was Spectre Arms' first rifle build. We used 1022 breech block and a 1022 trigger group, but the rest was proprietary. We used a target profile barrel made out of Green Mountain barrel blanks. The rifle featured a full-length top rail with a variety of color, fore-end, and stock options. The S2 is discontinued when the RCMP decided to ban its magazine. The Butler Creek 25 round magazine. Without a magazine, it seems silly to continue production.